Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to cancel Grammarly subscription on iPhone. To cancel your Grammarly subscription on iPhone, follow these steps based on where you originally purchased the subscription. If you subscribe to the App Store, you'll need to manage it directly from your iPhone settings. Open your settings application. After that, on the top of the settings screen, you can tap on your name. Now go to subscription and in the Apple ID menu tap on subscription. Look through your active subscription list for Grammarly and tap on it. Tap cancel subscription and confirm to stop future billing. The subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. You can also cancel Grammarly's subscription via website, or you can also cancel it from the application. Open the Grammarly application and go to Account option, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on your profile. Here you can manage your subscription. Click on it and click on Cancel Subscription. If you are having trouble cancelling or if there is any confusion about the platform which you subscribe, you can contact Grammarly support team for assistance through their help center at Grammarly support. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Grammarly subscription on your iPhone and avoid future charges. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.